Hello, this is Art Johnson with New World Communications, and welcome to our new marketing initiative for 2023. We're reaching out to you with our YouTube content to talk about our sole purpose, which is to address climate change innovatively as climate action opportunities, and to assure that as the funding gets distributed, that more people can equitably share in the benefits of the funding and to really help our planet. And the way we're doing that is we've noticed that with all the different groups and different agencies and different companies all talking about and moving forward with certain initiatives, we recognize the need for a climate action consortium. So we're the bridging unit. We are reaching out across the whole planet, starting with the state of Washington, with families and communities and schools and nonprofits and financial institutions, just about everybody, government, local, regional, national, and international governments, to essentially provide our robust suite of services in a very powerful and near net zero carbon footprint way. So anyway, I'd like to show you what our e-learning services are about and how you might be able to use them to be spot on with the people that you serve. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and do my screen share, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So this is our suite of e-learning services that we've been developing since 1997. We started actually when way back at KCTS Public Television in distance learning when we got smitten by the internet. And so we left the station to launch our own remote consulting practice and virtual enterprise. And now we've got this whole robust suite of e-learning services. Our latest services are explainer video services, where we're actually modeling socially responsible behavior for corporate leadership, since they have such a big carbon footprint around the planet. And we then have a whole suite of virtual focus group and strategic planning services, so your organization can be spot on and on target with the people you serve across the state or across the planet. We also then, that can inform our YouTube content, our channel development, and we provide channel development and programming services. And that can then turn inform workshops and courses that we can offer on demand. And that also allows us to move into doing a whole full-blown mobilization campaign services that can do things in really quality assured steps, all the way from getting enabled to doing business meetings over Zoom, to being social, to using YouTube, to doing virtual business casuals at local restaurants that live stream, to doing a series of critical conversations and interviews, and then mid-year doing virtual boot camps to arrive eventually at doing world-class conferences and trade shows. And we've actually done this. We've actually moved forward as a virtual enterprise recently to develop a presence on Virbela. And that Virbela is a metaverse, corporate metaverse that we have a presence on with the team suite. And we're using that to, with our avatar selves, affordably to do our events, some of those events online. We're also streaming them live with our event physical world services. So even if you did not become an avatar yet, or even if you weren't even doing a Zoom call, you could come to a meeting and take advantage of seeing us live stream at certain locations around the planet. This used to cost a whole arm and a leg. When I was back at the station, we had to have an uplink truck and $30,000 cameras and the whole camera crew. And we don't need that now. We can do this with smartphones and other technologies that really help. So this is going back to our e-learning services. That allows us to do also, and that'll drive more demand for more online courses that your organization may want us have us develop. We're senior instructional designers, and here's our event services. And the whole idea is to build global strategic partnerships. That's what the whole climate action consortium we're building is about. So we really welcome you to join us. Join our channel, subscribe to our channel, click on our notification bell so you can be notified of more good things to come. And check out our website at www.newworldcom.com for more information. And you can text me at 206-920-8067 or send us an email at support@newworldcom.com. So look forward to working with you and look forward to seeing more good news coming out of our YouTube channel. And we're going to be doing this 52 weeks of the year, every Tuesday, a short video that'll be worthwhile you're watching and for sharing with other people as together we build the kind of consortium we need across generations of people, across genders, across communities, across market sectors, across the planet. So thank you so much, and I look forward to working with you.